garlic shrimp recipe. You would need shrimp, lemon or calamansi, garlic, salt, black pepper, sugar, cooking oil. Pour the cooking oil in the pan. Add the garlic. Remove the heads of the shrimp and put it in the pan. After that, remove the shell of the shrimp. Then, put the shrimp in the pan. Squeeze the lemon or calamansi over the shrimp. Add the salt. Put a pinch of black pepper. Incorporate the sugar. Then, put a little amount of water. Simmer. Finally, serve it with rice while it's hot.